Hello everyone, today I will show you a really easy English dessert with just 3 ingredients. Let's do the lemon posset. We will need half liter of double cream, 200 grams of sugar, 2 lemons. Add the sugar into the cream, preferably inside the container. The volume of the cream will increase. We have to boil it and reduce it back to half liter. Add the zest of 2 lemons. Do not leave your post or it will boil over and make a mess in your kitchen. Squeeze your lemons. Once half liter is achieved, add the lemon juice and let it cool down. Pour it in your mold and let it rest in the fridge for at least 6 hours. This dessert does not require gelatin because of the citric acid in the lemon coagulates the protein of the cream and serves as a thickener. Enjoy your citrusy dessert. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.